The community partnership between Syble Hopp School's vocational training program and Festival Foods has been in place for many years. As a host job site, Festival Foods provides real-world, paid job training experience for our high school students who are preparing for adult life after school. This program places students at the community worksite based on their abilities, interests, and the needs of the organization. This helps students develop their employability, self-advocacy, independent living, social skills, and communication skills. It helps students transition toward a more independent future and to learn skills they can use for the rest of their lives. We thank Festival Foods for their involvement in the vocational training program of Syble Hopp School